Hello guys, in today's video I am going to teach you how to add animated backgrounds in Microsoft Teams in just a few steps. Okay, so let's get started. So what we're gonna do guys is we need to log in our account, and of course to start a meeting, click this camera button and click that one and start meeting. Okay, it is now connecting, so you just have to wait for a sec. Okay, so okay, there you go. So in order for us to um, add a animated background, you can select this one and also this one. But okay, so there's under options, guys. You can choose this one, click that one, and more video effects and settings. You can also add a photos here and or select a lot of backgrounds or animated backgrounds here. So you can also click this one to preview, guys. Okay, you can select this one. Actually, as you can see on the screen, there's a black background here because I think there's a problem with my internet, but that's okay. Okay, there you go. So you can preview it and you can stop preview so that you will be able to see your camera. Okay, there you go. So that's it, guys. I hope you learn and enjoy these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials in Microsoft Teams. Thank you.